ginger glazed carrots. Hello, welcome to another episode of Bville Live. I'm Christina Neely and I'll be your host today. Today we're going to make matchstick carrots with ginger. And our recipe lineup is as follows. First, we have a plate of fresh organic vegetables. We get our organic vegetables from a local source, Brady Farms in Syracuse. It's an urban farm. It's a great buy, $140 for the season. You get a box every 2 weeks of farm fresh vegetables. I'm expecting another box tomorrow, so I want to use up my boxes from 2 weeks ago. And this is the last of them. We have farm fresh carrots that are going to go into this. We have beautiful small new onions. I'm going to need a piece of ginger. I have some baby carrots to add in, some delicious New York State apple, and a tomato. Shall we get started? First, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil to a medium saucepan, and you're going to warm that up. While you're chopping your vegetables, you can turn that heat down to low, or just turn it off until you're ready to add it into the pan. So the first thing I'm going to put in the pan are my onions. I'm going to take a small baby onion, cut it down in half, and then into slices. And since I'm going to be making matchsticks with my carrots, I want to have my other vegetables line up as well. So to do that, I cut my onion in half, and then I cut down, and then it's just going to separate into these sizes, about the size of the matchsticks. I'm going to add that to my pan that I had warmed the olive oil in. Separate that as I put it in. Now you can use this as a side dish, or you can put it into a bowl, which is what I'm going to do later. You can tune into some of my other videos that I have, but I'm going to be making a turkey bowl with fresh vegetables for dinner tonight. So I'm going to get my vegetables that I'm adding here started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see my other videos. I have lots of videos, lots of vegetarian videos, lots of holiday videos, and I'll be adding to it on a regular basis. You can subscribe at Bville Live, Google it on YouTube. Alright, so I have my onions cooking there, give that a quick stir. I'm going to add my ginger. I'm also going to matchstick my ginger. Now some people don't like to eat ginger. I know my future daughter-in-law had told me that sometimes she's Chinese and sometimes they like to leave it whole so they can pick it out, but you can also mince it. So since I'm doing matchstick size, I'm going to cut it into matchstick size and then cut it down again. I like to have it a little bit small so you can eat it. Ginger's good for your digestion and it gives it a really nice flavor. It pairs very, very well with carrots. So I'm just going to finely chop the ginger, add that into the pan. Give it a quick stir. I have my heat set at low so I don't burn anything. And next I'm going to start chopping my carrots and then my tomato and apple. So to make matchsticks, you want to keep your stuff uniform in size. So the easiest, you can do it two ways. If you have a small carrot, like baby carrots, you can just chop them down so that they're all the same size. The other way you can do it is with slices, and I'll show you both. So this was an end of a carrot, and it was a little bit of an irregular shape, so it's not going to make perfectly sized matchsticks, but that's okay. So we'll throw that in. Alright, so if you have a baby carrot like this, all you have to do is cut it in half and slice it down like this, and you'll end up with little matchstick sized carrots. I'm going to go right in the pan. Now, the other way to do it is to take, if you have a large carrot like this that I got from the farm, you can slice them across into diagonal shapes. And then you can slice them down again, like this. Okay, the matchstick carrots and the onions and ginger are sizzling nicely in the pan. To that, we're going to add our sliced apples and our tomato. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And then we'll add our seasoning. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of pepper to that. And some salt. Give it a toss. And we're going to cover that until the vegetables are tender.